The new GT3 8K GPS drone is a compact and intelligent drone designed for both beginners and enthusiasts. Its foldable design and robust feature set, including obstacle avoidance and a high-quality camera, make it an excellent choice for capturing stunning aerial photos and videos. This drone combines portability with advanced functionality, providing a user-friendly and enjoyable flying experience. Intelligent and safe flight. A standout feature of the GT3 MAX is its three-sided sensing obstacle avoidance, which provides an added layer of safety by automatically helping the drone steer clear of obstacles. The headless mode simplifies flight for new pilots by eliminating the need to orient the drone's front and back. For stable and precise hovering, the drone utilizes optical flow fixed-point positioning. The one-click return function ensures the drone can easily find its way home, adding peace of mind to every flight. High-quality camera and versatile control. The GT3 MAX is equipped with an 8K HD dual camera system, capable of capturing high-resolution photos and videos. The camera's angle is electrically adjustable 180 degrees, allowing for dynamic and creative shots, including unique head-up or upward-facing angles. The 4.5-inch large-screen control remote provides a clear, direct view of the flight, eliminating the need to use a smartphone for real-time image transmission. Additionally, the drone can be controlled via an app, which enables features like drawing a flight path on the screen for autonomous flight and using Wi-Fi FPV for a first-person view. Portable and user-friendly design. With a compact and foldable design, the GT3 MAX is incredibly easy to transport, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. The fully enclosed propellers add a layer of safety, making it a great option for flying in various environments. The drone's 6-axis gyroscope ensures a smooth and stable flight, while the multiple speed settings allow you to adjust to different flying conditions. This combination of advanced features, ease of use, and a portable design makes the GT3 MAX a versatile and fun drone for all ages. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tips, and tutorials.